Very hot, scorching weather with Jim. First, though, before we do that, let's change the topic because that's kind of upsetting how hot it's going to be this weekend. Look at these beautiful wildflowers near Trinity Lakes. Look at the colors, reds and purples and blues.
Yeah.
It is just beautiful. We want to thank Brett Simon for bringing us that little bit of joy this morning on Idaho Weather Watchers. But you know what, Jim? It's going to be so hot, up to 106 this weekend.
That's right. Many of the mountain areas climbing into the 90s, so hopefully those wildflowers won't wither away. But we do have a little smoke in the valley this morning like we had yesterday morning. So as the sun comes up, it's going to give us some brilliant oranges and pinks along the foothills. And you can see that layer of smoke that settles down as things gradually quiet down during the night. It'll disperse a little bit as the day goes on. Right now it's 71 degrees in Boise, so we still have very mild temperatures. Yesterday morning we didn't get below 70. And we have southeast winds at 5 miles per hour. So that's going to continue. Kind of a similar day to yesterday, almost a ditto day, although maybe a degree warmer. And if we do get up to 104 today, that would tie the record set back on this date in 1934. Smoke still plunging down off of those mountain fires up towards Salmon, and also from the fire over toward Midvale. So smoky conditions everywhere, dissipating a bit and moving to the east this afternoon. But California smoke, the wildfires also drifting up to the region. So the whole interior west is seeing smoky and hazy conditions, although we have the lighter smoke over us, thicker of course, farther to the east in the central mountain areas. Well, what we're looking at today is more heat. The excessive heat warning that was in effect yesterday in the Ontario area and justified, they hit 109 yesterday, breaking a record, now has expanded throughout all the rest of Malheur County, the Weiser Basin, and across the Treasure Valley through this afternoon. And heat advisories, a little bit less extreme temperatures still up into the mountain areas, central mountains, into the western Magic Valley too. And we can see thunderstorms popping up again this afternoon. That has prompted a fire weather warning to remain over the central mountain areas because of the threat of lightning and gusty winds, which will make firefighting even more dangerous and difficult. We still have a few lingering thunder showers from yesterday's activity down in the southeast part of the state. And one storm near Featherville yesterday dropped 0.8 of an inch of rain and some small hail, as well as produced some gusty winds. High pressure dominating the area still, but it will weaken on into the weekend. And by Sunday night and Monday, a cool front will start sliding into the region, giving us some relief from this excessive heat that we've been putting up with for a few days. So here's how things look. In the 7-day forecast, 104 today could tie that 1934 record. Patchy smoke around through tomorrow, staying hot up to 106 by Sunday. Then we start cooling off a little bit. It'll take a day or two for it to get here, but by midweek, down to the low 90s.
Oh my goodness. I never thought I'd be thankful for 91, but I will be very thankful.
Amazing and
Jim,
cool.
thank you. Yeah.
Yes. All right.